campus, when you live in a residence hall, you either live by yourself or with a roommate. So if you come into Wittenberg, if you know someone that's also coming here, you two can list each other and you become each other's roommates. Or you'll go through a randomized survey where you look at your sleeping patterns, your living style, and a bunch of different factors. You fill that out, and then you're just randomly assigned a roommate. After this, there's a 2-week waiting period for you to get used to each other. If you find it works, you stay together. If you find you want to move, that option is available to you as well. So living on campus, as I said, this is one of the residence halls. So this is the typical layout. So you have a TV in most of your residence halls with couches and chairs. These are great communal spaces for you to hang out with your friends, meet up with people, and just generally be together. A lot of residence halls will have ping pong tables, foosball tables, where it might be. Just a small activity way for people to, once again, hang out and work out, like do things with each other. In the residence halls, there are RAs. These are resident advisors, people you as a student go to, who have resources, who have ideas, who have done a lot of things on campus, and can be of a resource to you. RAs typically put on programs within the building to help encourage students to either work academically, get to know each other, whatever it might be. These programs often include free food. So if you're ever on your way in or out of the building, you can always stop and get like a slice of pizza or a thing of ice cream, whatever it might be. So the residence halls are a great way for you to get to know other people on campus, a great way to get community feel, build community, and just work at becoming part of Wittenberg's campus.